let's bring you along with the wide body Infinity wide body kit. There's a lot of guys out here making crappy products and just selling them to the public, and people really have no clue what they're buying and what it takes to fit. These panels need so much more work than most customers realize. So let me just take you through it. The hood actually isn't horrible, but there's no provisions for washer squirters or anything. There's no provisions for the lip seals and other different things from the aftermarket hood to the factory hood. Look at all the work. And then look how this goes like this in here. So what we try to do is just get as best shape that we can here. And then now we fit the other side fender. You can see that it's long and it's not even in all the way, and then it's shot out this way, and it's just a nightmare. This piece here is way too low, and then this is thick inside of here, and then too far warped inside of here, low here, high here, and then high here. This is just a complete mess. This needs so much more hours in fiberglass work. I told the customer right from the rip already from what it was, I will fit it to the car. Other than that, the rest of the imperfections and improper castings, that's all on you. Have your body guy and paint guy fix whatever he wants to fix, and then paint it so that he knows that whatever he fixes, the paint will stick to. So horrible fitment. We're going to try and get this to go forward a little bit more. We're going to add some foam behind this piece there. This we actually got to fit fairly well. It does have a good fit here and here, and then once you get down here, it's too low. So we're going to try and build that out. You can see where the body line here is just short on material, not even finished. And then we have these pieces, no hardware, no holes, no nothing to install it, and literally no instructions. So our next piece here is us, we traced out where we want this to fit, and you can see like how short or how much excessive material is there, and then how much less material is there. So this has to actually open and close without hitting. And then same thing here, when you open and close your door, because it sticks out so wide, we had to set it in a position to where it actually, the door would open and close, but then we might have to push it back. You see my trace line here? So quite, this isn't even a puzzle. This is a puzzle that pieces actually don't fit. So the guy that subletted us the job wasn't the customer. I assure you, his body guys told him they don't even want to be bothered with putting it on. And I said, well, I'll put it on, but I'm not responsible for the quality of the fitment of any of this stuff. And he said, I understand. I told the customer when he showed it to me too, that the quality of these products is horrible. And he said, okay, keep moving along. So he says that now, but then when he gets his car back and says, what the hell? I won't be doing the prep work and the paint work. That'll be all on the body guys. This is going to be a full paint from what I understand when it's finished. So if you're going to do a wide body kit, I couldn't even tell you if you buy the most expensive one that you're not going to have the same fit and fitment panels. This was a half a day already messing around with this, and we're not even like dialed in. Imagine how much more work is going to be into the finish and fitment and prep and primer and paint work. I mean, we're not even there yet. So buyers beware. And the car looked good the way it was, besides the curbs are all, I don't know.